Here's how the Edmonton real estate market performed in December to wrap up 2025. The Edmonton real estate market did exactly what we expected to do at this time, which is slow down. But it did not stall. In December, there were 1,315 residential sales in the greater Edmonton area. That's down from November, which is typical during the holidays, and also about 7.5% lower than December 2024. New listings dropped sharply, with only 1,389 new homes hitting the market, as many sellers pressed pause until the new year. But here's the important part. Even with fewer buyers and sellers, prices still held firm. The average residential price in December finished at $454,981. That is up 1.8% month over month and nearly 5% higher than this time last year. That's a strong way to close out the year. Detached homes continue to lead the way, averaging $566,552. That's up more than 5% year over year. Rowe and townhomes also performed really well, averaging $297,124, while condos were the one segment that softened, with average prices dipping to $193,577. Now let's talk pace. Homes took longer to sell in December, which again is very seasonal. The average days on market across residential properties was 49 days, about 5 days longer than last year, giving buyers a bit more breathing room than we saw early in 2025. So what does this all mean as we head into 2026? For buyers, the end of the year brought more negotiating power and less competition. For sellers, the big takeaway here is that values held up extremely well even during the slower month. The story of 2025 is clear. Edmonton finished with stable prices, resilient demand, and a solid foundation heading into spring market. If buying or selling is on your radar for 2026, the planning starts now. Reach out anytime and let's build a smart strategy before the market heats up again.